I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before.
Hey guys, we're back with Kiki T. Yep, that's me. And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my nails for the first time.
Oh, hell no!
I miss my nail salon so much. I miss my girl, Carol. But since Miss Corona wanted to come and mess stuff up, we're in quarantine and I can't go to my nail salon. Please, I don't know nothing. I watched like 1 or 2 videos just to make sure like I'm not messing my nails up. But let's hope I do good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can get the notification when I post. And check out my description box for all of my social media, Snapchat and Instagram. You won't be missing out. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Whoa, whoa. So this is my setup, guys. Oh wait, let me push it back. Ooh, yeah, so I have nail polish remover. I have the Kiss set. As you can see, I already used this. And I have another set, which is from Acrylic. As you can see, this set looks like ugly. So I wanted a nice set to show y'all and how it will usually look like. And then I have my SC. Let me show y'all. I don't know if you can see. I have my Essie nail polish, and this is a nice like blue color, and just this top coat. I don't really think I'm gonna need this top coat, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Obviously, you're gonna get, you know, acrylic nails. You're gonna get glue, the liquid monomer, clear powder, a little cup almost just to store the liquid monomer, a buffer, a nail filer, and of course you get your brush, as you can see right here, and these sticks. Guys so as you can see, my dirty nails. I already have leftover acrylic, so I'm gonna try my hardest to take it off. I do not know what I'm doing. I'm only doing one hand because I can only do one hand. What's that people people who can write with both their left and right hand? Is it polydextric?
It's ambidextrous.
Okay, thank you. Since I don't have a drill, I'm just gonna use this filer because me broke. Okay, so I successfully removed the acrylic. I'm actually going back to school. Well, not really back to school. I'm just going back there just to clean up my locker. I'm going in the morning, guys. I can't even wake up in the morning naturally. Ever since this break started, it's not even summer vacation and I'm already sleeping dumb late. I saw this girl on TikTok and she was up for like 72. No. She wanted to stay up for 100 hours. And she said how people said she gonna go crazy and whatnot. Alright, so now y'all can see me. I had to change my setup because y'all wasn't, you know, y'all couldn't see me. So I'm done filing. Now after that, what do? I'm just gonna go in and buff, you know. This whole setup is pretty ghetto. Woo, child. Y'all, I am a brand ambassador for Unfriendly Apparel, and if you guys actually follow me on my social medias, you will see how I've been posting them on my Insta story. The apparel that they sell is mad cute, and not only that, you can use my code KESH10, KESH 10 for some money off. I'm sorry for the seniors, not only at my school but everywhere. And now they can graduate, which is a very special moment. And now they can't even go into prom, which is a very special moment. Like, imagine being in 9th grade or 10th grade or even 11th just dreaming about your prom night and you can't even have it. Like, that's OD. Like, Corona said, shut up. Yeah. So let's apply. Okay. So yeah. Put it right there. Ooh. See, told you I was gonna be slipping and sliding. Does it look crooked, guys? I hope it doesn't.
I assume.
Y'all, I'm currently struggling. So I took off the one I put on my pinky because I realized that was for my index, and this small buckle is for my pinky. Alright, y'all, so everything is on. I don't know why, but I feel like Cardi B because her nails stay be long and nice and done. So yeah, and if y'all know me, y'all know I don't get long nails. I trim it down to square, yeah, or coffin, because I don't know, I just can't manage with long nails. Period. I'm so hungry right now. Let me try. Don't cut it too far down, because if it looks bad, I might as well just put it into a square.
Give me a chance.
Ouch. Oh. It looks like a nun's hat.
Hold on.
A nun's hat? Yes.
Good. Yeah, that's
Ooh,
the best
nice
that we did. You're welcome. And it's freaking.
I don't know. Is the thumb supposed to look like this when it comes to stiletto? Ooh. Okay. And then this. Okay. Okay, I did that one by myself. I'm golden.
No.
I'll finish this stiletto all around. It's my first time doing stiletto and it's mad, like, it hurts. Now I'm going to finally get in with the powder. Let's go. So now the primer is set.
Get it and do what you said. You are not the boss of me.
No, never is this finished. Never did I finish this. It's not dripping and it's not dry. So now I'm going to dip. Now a lot of people say to not drag, but then a lot of other nail technicians drag. So I'm just going to do a little tap tap and then a small drag. And now I'm going to place it on.
Along periodically time.
Can y'all see that? It's like smooth. It's pretty thin, but looks like a cornflake. This is it. Like that. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's it.
Yeah, it's really crooked.
And this is it. Now I'm just gonna have to wash my hands. And I buffed my nails too. I'm just gonna have to wash my hands. And then I'm gonna have to get ready to put this color on. Okay guys, I just finished washing my hand. Everything is clean, dust free. So now I'm about to go with the nail polish. This is the color.
You need to redo that because that looks mad ugly.
Yeah, this looks messy. You did worse than
No,
me.
I didn't.
Yo. What's the joke? That I did better?
No.
You kind of are.
Look how dirty that
First
looks.
of all, I'll fix it. Guys, who?
This is hers.
So
And this is mine.
say
I just need to apply my second.
say A or B. I'm A, she's B. Who did it better? And we both did one layer.
Kesha, are you lying to yourself? Because mine look better. Mine look better. Better.
For me to wear glasses, you're blind. You're blind. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put on this top coat. I'm gonna put on this top coat. And yeah.
With the Spectrum TV app, I can watch live TV app to watch live TV on.
Okay guys, that is it for me doing my acrylic nails for the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can get the notification when I post. And comment like a rating for me on how well I did or how bad I did. And check the description box down below for all of my social medias, Snapchat and Instagram. You won't be missing out. And without further ado, enjoy your morning, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. Bye.